Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly Euro dollar, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is actually going to turn into an uptrend. I think it's going to eventually end up looking something like that. I think it's going to be a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A or a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Either scenario, it should take out these highs, and either way, I will primarily be looking for longs on shorter time frames. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, we are definitely making a move to the downside, but to me it looks very clear that this is like a 1. I think this is a wave 2. I think this is a wave A of 2. I think this is a B of 2, and I think we're in a wave C of wave 2, which I think is probably going to continue down to the 100% level before it actually ends up ending this correction and continuing the uptrend to finish off what I think is a 2, a wave 3, and then eventually making a 4 and 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's take it down even more to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can definitely see that we are trending down right here. Lower lows, lower highs. We're not bouncing off any fib levels. We're not taking out any structure to the upside. So for me, the trend is definitely 100% still down. The 78% definitely could be an area where wave C turns, but it normally does go to the 100 or maybe even the 123. So until this actually breaks any structure to the upside like that, I am definitely still going to continue to look for shorts in a downtrend for the continuation of this wave 3 of wave 2 is what I believe it is. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, really our last structure level. I would really consider my last structure level right here, but this definitely is a little bit of a structure level here also. So as of right now, we are turning back up. I do think that we are going to make a correction, especially looking at the US dollar index. Today's probably going to be a fairly corrective day, but I still think that this is going to make it another three-way pattern up, another lower high, lower high, lower high the whole way down, and most likely just keep on trending down, making those lower lows and lower highs. So keeping that in mind also, let's take it right down to the 1 hour. So 1 hour time frame, we're definitely turning up. We are about to break structure, which definitely tells me that this last section of trend is complete. If that last section of trend is complete and we're going to continue to trend on the longer time frames, which I believe we will, then most likely this next move is going to turn into a three-way pattern like an ABC. Most likely make another lower high, take out structure, and most likely end up continuing the downtrend. So, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.